Okay, so now we have removed some walls. And I put in a square column if that's what's needed, but we can change it. Now, furniture changes. I just put in furniture so you could get an idea of how it's going to look. And on the floor plan, these iron stools actually show up a different color, so they're more visible. That's why I chose them. And this was the largest table that I had in my catalog, so I chose that one to show off to you. So there's the kitchen, no uppers. There will be uppers in another plan down the road. And I look at that sink and it's sitting on top of the counter. Not quite right, but in the floor plan it shows it a little bit. And I left that little wall just so we could see where there might have to be a column or some way to support the roof. So let's go in here to the living room. You have your windows. Oh, apparently I put 3 TVs on top of each other. Sorry about that, but there is just a simple TV unit with 3 TVs. That's what it would look like. To show you there, and I closed off the stairs, the access to the stairs here, and just put a shelf to see. We'll walk in and turn around. And there would be your front door and dining room. Now, I think this island is too big for this kitchen, and it's easier to show you on the floor plan, but I'm going to try and do it here. So the island comes out pretty much the same where the oven is, and that, I don't know if you can see the cursor here, it doesn't look right in real life if you do that. The island should be a little bit shorter. Plus, there's only about 2 feet, maybe 2.5 feet here, and 3 to 3.5 is ideal with the dining room there. Just, you know, for pulling the chair out, and like if you have guests over, you can't walk by here, which, you know, it's really up to your preference. This big dining room you're going to use when you entertain, which is how many times a year. You're going to be in this kitchen all the time. So you kind of take here and give a little bit there to get what you want. And if you want the bigger island, then you deal with it being tight the times that you entertain. If you absolutely don't want it to be tight, you go a little smaller. I did show you, I do have a plan with it smaller so you can see what it's like. 2, it depends on the size of the cabinetry. We might be able to put a smaller island, get a smaller chair, and be able to still fit 4 in there comfortably with a smaller island to allow for more room. So that is that. Put a fridge there. That's just, you know, nothing has to stay where it is. It was just to give you an idea. So there now, you can see here is now the entrance to go down the stairs. So down the hallway, and you would access it here. And that's it for that one.